Where's the damn food?
Hi, honey. Nice to see you too.
Woman, where's the food?
I'm coming. I was sweeping the whole day, washing the dishes, doing the laundry. I couldn't really make food. I'm sorry.
Dishes. We didn't eat anything yesterday. How could we do the dishes?
Okay, I'm sweeping, doing the laundry.
Well, maybe make food instead of doing that. Do make food.
Hello, hello. Be nice.
Remy, aren't you Remy? Hey, do you know the time? I don't know the time. I just got back. Yeah, there's no food in this entire godforsaken house.
Remy, come on, I need another time. I'm on Boston's last names, come on.
You're on my last nerve.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I don't know if you've realized, but you're being way too loud. There's other people in this neighborhood, and like, you're so loud. Keep it down.
Sorry. I'll keep it down for now.
Who are you even talking to? You're supposed to be living alone. You're such a freak. Like, just pay your rent next month. Like, freak.
Hello? Can you tell me what time it is? I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
There's nothing to eat. You're not even real.
All right, teachers. What do you think?
Look at her. I'm hungry. Where's my food? You know, you have to be serious.
Yeah.
They're learning, no? In their youth years, they're learning to experience a lot of things. So they have to like express themselves. So when they learn about an acting or so they learn to be their self. They learn to express their self. They learn how to work or be together. So they learn a lot of things that they can use in the future, no?
I was very shy when I was a child, and thanks to theater and to acting classes, I became a person that could stand before a group of people and talk, even in an audience of 500 or 600 persons, without a problem. So it is very important.